Guys, it's the Gamer Kids, and welcome back to our channel. In case you know, I'm Madison.
And I'm Savannah. And hopefully my cousin Finn will join.
Wow. And today's shout out goes to Molly Fan. The question of the day is, what is your favorite pet in Adopt-Me? And if you don't play Adopt-Me, what is your favorite Roblox game? Savannah, what is yours?
A Neon Turtle and a Mega Owl.
My favorite pet in Adopt-Me are, I don't know. What?
A giraffe.
A regular giraffe. I don't really like megas or
Well, a
anything.
neon giraffe. I know you've always wanted one.
Yes, I've always wanted a neon giraffe. Or a regular, it doesn't really matter to me.
Hey guys, do you like my new outfit?
Yes, we love our new outfit. And we made this hangout space up here. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification bell, ding, 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 so you know whenever we post a new video to become one of the #GamerKid early squad members. To also become a member, follow BFF Twin 1767, Ethan H. Oof, and Bunny Unicorn Princess.
And there's some numbers, and we have to figure out that.
So let's get right into the video. And yeah, let's figure out how we can get down from up here. Oh!
Finn! Finn!
And there he is.
Yay! Beep, just so you know, he's only okay, he's 5. You don't know how to play this game. I usually help him. His face is
Guys, if you don't know what I'm looking for my mouse. Big, huge shout out to Winged Wolf Girl. She gave me this free Fly Griffin.
And guys, big shout out to Finn!
I gave her our giveaway item, which is...
I told you, he does know emojis, see?
Guys, I gave away Hot Cheeto Chimkin to her, but I will trade for another Hot Cheeto Chimkin for a giveaway. And I still don't know how to turn comments on, so...
Wait, what is he giving me?
I still don't know how to turn comments on, so...
There you go, bud. He added a pizza. Thank you, Finn. It was for free. Okay.
Guys, I really don't know how to turn comments on, so... What am I doing? Oh, wow. Okay.
Finn out of the dog leash. Buddy. Can I tell you something? Can I tell you how Finn is so sweet? No! Addison. I love Finn. He's legit giving me a free ox. Just for a mouse leash.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god. I swear to God, if he confirms this, I'm scared. He confirmed it.
Guys, we are going to be doing a trust thing. So I will bring in a pet and be like, well, who gave this to me? Is it yours and you want it back? And then we'll see what people do.
By the way, Addison, can I tell you something?
Oh, wow. A cracked egg.
I'm giving Finn a duck. I'm giving Finn a duck rattle.
I'll give you River for all those. Oh my god, Finn just friend requested me.
No, we did not.
What's his username?
Is it Finn? Is it FINNFIN1?
Yes.
Accept it.
I did.
Accept it. Finn!
Yes, he did.
Finn is in my family. Finn was in my family.
No.
I'm going to do a trust too.
Okay, what pet should I bring out first? I have to bring out a really good one.
I think you should bring out your Griffin.
No, because you can't give legendary items.
I know. True. Guys, someone left the game and gave this to me, and they trust traded me, and they left the game. So if you're in here, if it's yours, I'll give it to you. By the way, this is mine, and Finn gave it to me. But here's a good thing. I'm not going to give it to anyone. I'm just going to give them a different pet. is this anyone's? Because this person left the game who gave it to me, and we were trust trading, and I need to know if they're in the server. So say ABC if it's yours.
I just typed this. Who gave this to me? I'm new, and it's not mine. Someone in this server. And do you want it back? Is this someone in this server? And do you want it back? Okay.
Let's see if anyone says ABC.
If you guys see someone doing this to you, say it's not yours. If it is, I'm sorry, but just say it's not yours because I did that and I got a free emu out of it. And of course, I gave them their emu back because I don't want to take free pets from people. I have an inventory I'm proud of, so yeah.
Is this anyone? Because the person left the server, and we were doing a trust trade, and they left the server. So say ABC if it's yours.
Someone's trading skill. It's not mine, but I can help you find the owner if you want. Sure. Sure, even though that is mine, but I mean, he gets a free pet. You get a free pet, dude. What should I give you? How about Tasmanian tiger? We just gave that dude a Tasmanian tiger.
Is this anything? Because the person left the server. So say.
Oh, he just ran away. Okay. Then teleported to me.
Nobody's saying ABC, just so you know. This person is near me, and I'm scared that they're going to say ABC because, okay, they left.
Oh, no, he's really nice. He wants to help people find the owner. Alright, so we already have one person who passed, and I think that is super good for this starting off.
It was a test, but there you go. I hope you like it.
Oh my god, he's doing that to everyone. Who just traded me? Do they want my neon? I don't really want to trade my neon because it's my only neon. And it's not
Should
really...
I trade my silly pink?
What? Why?
I don't know.
What
It's just...
What would you
I
trade
have
me?
no other pets to give. And Addison, can I tell you something? I'm going to trade it for a dodo.
I'll offer for your silly duck.
Okay.
Please be proud of my offer because I think it's a pretty good offer. You're lucky I'm doing this. A wolf. No, not my neon. No. Wait, I'm adding. Please don't decline yet.
Can I please... Okay, listen. Take everything out because I want to give you something. Because I legit hate this thing because Rocky gave it to me and I don't love him anymore. So just take it for free.
Here, but I still want to offer for your silly duck after this trade.
Okay.
Okay. Please don't trade your silly duck because I really want to offer for it.
I have to, Addison. Do you want me to get a silly duck so then I can make a neon? I mean, do you want me to get a dodo so then I can make a neon Skittles?
Girl, just let me trade her.
No, she's not gonna give it to me. She isn't adding it.
Oh, that's because she
She
said it's NFT. My offer might help you, but I'm not sure.
Say ABC if you have a dodo. I want to see who says ABC.
I said, oh, it was a test. The dude still doesn't know it was a test. Y'all, if this is like a real trade, oh no. Okay.
So you're a scammer? What?
Here, trade me and I'll offer more for your silly duck.
Okay, but just...
I'll do it quick.
Okay, what if I...
If you don't like the offer,
Just listen to me. Do not add any heart balloons, okay? They remind me of, you know. I miss him.
is this offer good,
Not cute.
or do I need to add?
Can you add a couple more pets, please?
I mean, yeah, I can add an ox.
I'm sorry, but no. I'm
No,
sorry.
I'm still adding.
I'm sorry. Who's trying to scam? I'm not trying to scam the shit.
Alright,
Someone has a robin.
I know. I'm just trying to get another silly duck so I can trade my silly duck for a pig.
I'm trying to get you a pig.
Because one of my friends have a pig and I really want one. Because I had one, but then when my account got banned because someone was telling me I was scamming when I wasn't. I wasn't even scamming. I just said I politely don't want to do the trade. Because they offered a dog for this neon, and I was like, no thank you, politely. And they were like, nope, let's ban your account. You know what, guys? I'm going to politely decline this because I don't want to do that trade. I really love my neon.
They have a pig. Please tell me they have a pig. They have a snowman. I don't want a snowman. Sorry, bro. By the way, I'm just going to tell you something. I'm following one of my friends, so can you follow me? Because, listen, I'm trying to get you a pig. And I swear to God, if you trade, you try to get a pig. Do not, because I'm trying to trade this silly duck for a pig for you.
He said you can get my pet.
But it's fine. What?
Someone said you can get my pet. What?
Okay, say ABC. Nothing. Pig. Say ABC if you have a pig.
Okay.
Someone has a chicken. Someone has a chicken.
What?
I'm trading them.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'll follow you in a second. Someone said you can get my pet. How?
I'm trying to get a chicken. They're not adding.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave this server on this girl.
Chicken. I said chicken. Chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken. Oh, that's not the chicken. That's the chicken lady. Wait, my friend has a chicken? I'm gonna say, may I offer?
Yo, this video is getting so long. I'm surprised I'm even making a video this long because I don't usually make videos this long. Like, it's 13 minutes, y'all. Oh my god, I just sounded so weird when I said y'all. Guys, ignore that. I just loaded into the server.
Addison, can I
What?
tell you something?
Do people comment on your video?
No.
Or comments off?
I don't know.
I need to turn comments on for like a few minutes just to have giveaways. Trading rainbow.
We're gonna try to Rainbow Run! I always wanted one of those. They're so sick.
I'm gonna go offer, but I mean, like, I'm just loaded in.
Scared.
Their chicken's name is Kixi.
I know. That's my friend.
Why is my computer still walking?
No, I'm not adding, bro. I'm not adding.
Y'all, do you guys see this? My computer's walking and I'm not even controlling it. Savannah?
What?
My computer's walking and I'm not even touching it. That was weird.
Does anyone have a pig? Someone else has a chicken.
Who? Where?
Wait, stop. I'm offering on it. Stop.
There, I see it.
They accepted my triple request.
Oh my god. You don't have to.
I am going to. By the way, I'm trading my favorite plushie.
please don't. If you like that plushie, don't trade it.
They did not add the freaking chicken. They added the chicken. They added the chicken. They added the chicken. They added the chicken.
You're trading your octopus plush?
No, I'm trading my ice cream plush.
Savannah, but that's worth a lot.
I know. They'll probably decline though.
Someone just said the wand is worthless.
No. I'm so stupid.
Why?
I didn't get it.
Okay, that's okay. You don't have to try to
I'm
get
gonna offer
it.
more.
You don't have to try to
I'm
get
gonna offer
it.
more.
He's the best friend in the world.
Huh?
What?
You said something?
Yeah. She's the world's best friend.
No! No!
What?
I have to reconnect.
What? No!
And I think they're gonna accept it! Okay, do not trade them. Do not trade them. I think they were gonna accept my trade. Does it stay I'm still in here?
Yes, I think. I don't know. Do you have a fly
Okay,
owl?
good. No! Oh. No, stop. Okay. I'm teleporting you. Are you still near the chicken?
No, I don't know where she went.
Oh, no!
No!
Wait. Don't get sad, because I have an idea. Say ABC. Chicken. Say ABC if you have a chicken. I'm getting this chicken for you, no matter what. Even if I have to trade my favorite plushie.
Don't trade your favorite plushie. That's your favorite plushie.
I'm going to Addison. Do you want this chicken or not?
I want the
You want a
chicken.
pig? Which one do you want? A chicken and a pig, or just a chicken or a pig?
I just really want a chicken. I mean, I have a chicken, but I'm trying to make a neon chicken.
Okay, well, still, I'm gonna get it. Shit. Wait, that's my boyfriend. No, like I am a boy, and you know how I'm a boy, and you know, like
Yeah.
that's my boy. Oh my God, no! No one has a chicken. I'm legit going to die. I don't get it. Wait, I need that snow owl. Wait, that's my friend. You know how I got owl out of my snow owl?
Mhm.
Well, I'm trying to get another one. Like right now. I'm getting for real.
Yeah, but I wouldn't trade your dodo because Skittles is like amazing. And who else is gonna be?
No, I'm not trading Skittles. They declined anyways.
Okay, good. No, not good. Because you know. Oh my gosh. Okay, someone just traded me.
No, I'm not gonna get an owl ever again. Wait, a turtle? Wait, a turtle?
So, this person has fried chicken.
Wait, where?
Teleport to me.
Where? Okay. No, not her. You. This person?
Santa, not Leah. Santa, not Leah has it.
You should accept my turn request. Please accept my turn request.
Ah, please, that's a fly. Girl, that was a fly legendary I offered. That is so fair.
May I offer?
Guys, do you guys think a fly legendary is fair? A fly legendary is freaking fair.
It's okay. It's okay. It'll be good.
Yo, a fly
No,
legendary.
not my turtle.
Fly Legendary 2 to offer when you're done.
No.
Come on, we
Okay,
gotta do this
that's
trade real quick. Tell her stay here. No, don't decline.
I have to, Addison.
So, can you add... Girl, this is so fair.
She declined when I was still adding.
Girl, this is fair. A Fly Legendary. And she said, please add. That's rare. I was like, girl.
You know what, Addison? Can I tell you what I'm trying to get right now? I'm going to tell you what I'm trying to get.
What?
A farm egg. That's where owls are.
You know what? No, because...
By the way, the owls are legendary, so I don't know if I'll get one. Farm egg. Because I really bad need a farm egg.
Look, I'm trying to get
Because
this...
I could try to kill an owl.
Wait, chickens come from farm eggs, too.
Yeah, I know. Addison, can I tell you what we're doing right now? We're trying to get to a new server.
Wait, come
Like right
tell...
now.
No, she just said, who's your friend?
Addison, we have bad news. You're not being here. No! Wait, is this
Guys,
your
I'm
server?
chatting her away because I don't want to show the camera what she's saying. Because she told me to not show it because she knows. Because she knows what I'm doing. She knows,
You have to, Addison, no matter what. What if she scams you? You need it on proof. You need proof.
Yeah, I'm filming it again because she just said scammer. What the frick? Who is a scammer? Not me.
Are you in the server?
I'm in the same server as you. Here, I can follow one of my friends.
Do that right now.
I just did. Guys, we are going to have to end the video here. We will make another one. And bye, guys. Gamer Kid signing out.